Oscar buys 13 pencils and 3 erasers for $1. Okay, 13 pencils and 3 erasers for $1. A pencil costs more than an eraser. So P is not the pencil. P is the price of the pencil, and so is E. E is the price of the eraser. And both items cost a whole number of cents. So they are integers. So we are going to keep it in integers. So I will say 100 cents instead of $1. What is the total cost in cents of 1 pencil and 1 eraser? They're asking for P plus E. Maybe it is wiser to solve that way. Maybe they want you to find both and add them and add it correctly to get the answer. That way they're checking if you got both right. I don't know which way this will be. So I will march on with this finding them separately. Of course, you cannot find them because this is one equation with 2 variables. But then again, these are integers, so maybe we can do some magic. Okay, let me try my own brand of magic. 3e is equal to 100 minus 13p. So therefore, e is equal to 100 minus 13p over 3. For e to be an integer, this number has to be a multiple of 3. But then again, as you know, this would be a messy number to compute, so why don't I just make it 99 over 3, which is already multiple of 3 for sure, and plus 1 minus 13p. So this has to be multiple of 3. Well, I will be using a positive number in here, so I will be getting a negative number here, but negative numbers are also multiples of 3. So that doesn't bother us. So we are going to come up with p in such a way that 13p minus 1 would be a multiple of 3. So why don't we get the multiple of p's and see what happens? So here's 1p. So p is, how should I say? 1, 2, 3, 4. How far should I go here anyway? 5, 6, 7, 8. It's already past of $1, right? So 7 is as high as I can go. Okay, so now I'm going to make it 13p. So p, that'll be 13p. I meant 13. P is 1. P is 1, so 13p is 13. So 26, 39 will be 42, and 50 cannot be 65. 65, then 78, and then 91, right? Okay, now from which I'm going to subtract 1 to see if it's multiple of 3 or not. If I subtract 1, this is multiple of 3. If I subtract 1, it's not. 64 is not multiple of 3. 77 is not multiple of 3. 90 is. So these are the possibilities. So pencil could cost 1 cent or 7 cents. 1 cent cannot be because it has to be more expensive than the eraser. So pencil is 7 cents. So we computed it. Pencil has to be 7 cents so that E can be an integer. And let's plug in. It just gets 91, right? 1 minus 91 would be 90. And then 99 minus 90 is 9. Divided by 3 is 3. So this is what we concluded. Okay. Pencil is 7 cents and E is 3 cents. What do they want to know? What is the total cost in cents of 1 pencil and 1 eraser? Now we can add them and we get 10. So the answer is A.